Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we're taking a look at the super popular DRV by Mobile Suites model 39 DBRS3. So to begin, the DRV is top of the line for quality when it comes to fifth wheels. Right here, look at this fiberglass front cap. Look how it's fully molded, the seams right there, but they also put the screws there. I love that. DRV is top of the line. I love how they're using Asdale. Everything they use is premium. 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, everything. Right here, we do have very nice storage that goes all the way through. Right here, we do have the solid steps, power awnings with LED lights, both of them, and frameless windows. When you come on in, you're going to see that this unit is absolutely beautiful. Very nice tall ceilings, nice light colors. We got storage above there with the windows, MCD daytime shades and privacy shades. We got theater seats right here and a sofa here, directly across from the entertainment center. Right over here is the beautiful kitchen. I love the countertop. I love the hand-laid backsplash with the Insignia cooktop. And then right over there is the dinette. 2 chairs right there. That table does extend out if you do ever have guests with you. Right over here is the half bath, little sink, and it is prepped for a stackable washer dryer. And then coming up here, we have a nice king size bed, plenty of storage space and everything. TV, everything that you need is right here with the Whisper Quiet air conditioning units. There is 3 of them. And then to wrap it all up, we have a huge master bathroom. Nice big encore shower, electric toilet. That's right. You don't need to flush it. All you gotta do is push a button. Nice dual sinks and a very nice closet back here. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick little tour of the Mobile Suites DRV. If you guys are interested in this unit and you want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this DRV that you want to purchase, great. Click the link down below and a member of our fifth wheel specialist team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.